So you want to supercharge your team's productivity? Well, the key is to get them together. Good communication and collaboration takes getting together, interacting, and sharing ideas. You make that easy for your company to do, and you can kick productivity sky high. The tools you need are ready right now in the Microsoft Business Productivity Online Suite. Each tool works with the others to help make collaboration natural. You can tell in real time who's available and how best to communicate with them through instant messaging, email, video conferencing, and shared calendars. And with one central place on the web to keep and share work-related documents, your team will know where to find the information they need when they need it. All these tools can be accessed over the web from virtually anywhere. From a PC, browser, or from a mobile phone. Teams can be as productive at home or on the go as they are in the office, no matter how far apart they are. How sweet is that? And get this, you pay only for the tools you use. With no upfront capital costs required, you pay one low predictable monthly fee, and you can pick and choose the tools you need, which are kept up to date around the clock by an entire army of people who work to help ensure your company data stays highly secure. So with Microsoft Business Productivity Online Suite, you can get your team together from just about anywhere, and you only pay for the tools they use. Getting together online is your key to unlocking productivity's goldmine.